Just got to this school here. Got a couple stumps to cut. Alright, let's go see how this stump's coming along here. So we got a lot of the roots done. About half of it's gone, I guess. It won't be quite so hard on the tractors that are doing the lawn here. You can see where the blades for the tractors have been hitting. See that tree right there? See that limb up on top that's dead? We're gonna cut that off. I'm gonna show you guys a limb here that's hanging. Very dangerous. It's just hanging right over here. See that limb right there? It's just hanging right there. We'll go get it with the boom van here. Go up and get it. Well, it's all gone. The whole stump is gone. Nothing's left. We grinded that great big thing with those little stump grinders. Guys did a nice job. Goes really well. You have good teeth on those stump grinders and they grind pretty good. All right, so we're all done here. Everything's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. All right, take care, everyone.